So today we are hiking the very busy trail.
This canyon is fucking beautiful. It's gonna be about, I think, a 5-mile round trip type hike.
But this trail is so fucking busy and I'm
So awkward when it comes to recording in front of other people.
so yeah. Corny moment again where I'm crying. Well, I'm about to cry. I'm clearly not crying yet.
I just don't think that you guys are able to perceive how fucking huge this thing is. Like, I've seen pictures of waterfalls before, but you never think about how big they are in person. Like, holy shit, this is the biggest waterfall I've ever seen. Y'all.
Instead of mumbling about how pretty this waterfall is, I'm gonna read you guys what I wrote in my journal. So, I cannot believe that I was almost talked out of doing this hike. This is by far one of the coolest things I've ever seen. I'm so lucky. Seeing a waterfall that close up is like looking into the jaws of a predator. I understand now why we have words in the English language that describe irreverent beauty like this. I'm so fucking grateful.